Hello everyone! It's time for round 4! Round 4 time, yeah! No one DNP'd, so cool! Let's get to the prompt from last round. You are asked to create a mind-blowing science project with only 2 main ingredients or items. What new and creative science project will you create to impress the judges with limited materials? 13 votes casted, a total number of 21 votes. Thanks to, Meowsy, BD Awesome, Haru, FX, Batcat, Ayan, Iridian, and Mr. Baghead for super voting! Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoop. The top 3 contestants will prize, and the bottom 4 will not make it to round 5, or the 1x1s. That's literally so sad! Whip. Alright, let's get to these prize cards now, because we're at that point. I'm just stalling for time. Woohoo! Congrats, Meowcat. You got 3rd place with the response, Fans and Funnels. At maximum settings, create miniature wind chambers. Great job! On to 2nd place. Wow, would you look at that? Eternal.Rose got 2nd yet again. Crazy. They had the response. Taping toothpicks together in geometric formations. Explore simulated structural integrity. Gosh, I was so close to getting that right. What the heck? Well then, would you look at that? Ghost256 has won yet again. How wacky! They had the response. Attaching whistles to whips. Compose piercing melodies with lightning-quick strikes. You won the score of 73.20%. Crazy! And Ghost256 has won yet again. So awesome! And here's the original leaderboard. This time, can you get? You did it again. Is this like your new trend or whatever? Oh, we'll just have to wait and see. Anyways, let's see the rest of the first page. There are some familiar faces up here, and some new ones. That's pretty sick. But, we have to see the rest of the 12 people have been declared safe so far, and 8 have not. There are some faces up here that I was not expecting. Pretty sure you guys weren't expecting it either. Haha. Anyways, I'll pick you and you. Good luck to everyone in the SDZ, and I wish you the best of luck. goodbye to Batcat, Voltex 25, Sun Moon, and Trans Ace of Shovel. You all made it as far as you could. And it's really sad to see you forego this late in the game. See ya. It's stat time, everybody. It's time for stats. It's time for Okay, so yeah, Ghost 256 is the 4th person in Slime Twow to ever win twice in a row, which is kind of cool little thing. Pretty cool. Here is the most of these controversial responses. Woohoo! Go Joa! Yeah! Pretty sure you're gonna be talking about it all day in the Discord server when this episode comes out. Yeah! Whoop! Alright. Now there's something I've been wanting to do for a while now, but I haven't done anything with it. So now's the time to do that. One person this episode got out on the first page. So there's 5 people left on this slide. Kinda spooky a little bit. Also, DD Awesome is kinda cornered right now. Let's hope that doesn't impact him at all. On page 2, nobody got out this episode. So that means there's still 8 people on this page. Of course, all the good Twowers are on this page. On page 3, 1 person got out this episode. So there's only 2 people left. Hope you two don't get infected by that black X being eliminated curse. That's what I'm gonna call it. That's the curse. Okay, then on page 4, 2 people got out, so that means Haru is all by themselves. Sad. That's all the stats, and I just showed the current and eliminated contestants, so everything is done. Woohoo! 16 people remain. That's awesome. The 5th round prompt is, you signed up for a new escape room creation competition going around, and you are given one chance to create one of the hardest escape rooms ever. What will you add to your escape room to make it next to impossible? My awesome example response is, place white wallpaper around the room. Bright rooms, blind escapees. See? It's not that difficult. Send your responses to my alt by March 24th at 6 p.m. CST. You 3 get to submit 2 responses each to that prompt. So, yeah. See you guys in round 5 for the 1x1 reveals. It's gonna be awesome! Woohoo!